Hi, I'm Dr. Williams and I will be your guide for today. Welcome to the WSSU Hospital. Today we will be talking about EHR and EMR. EHR stands for Electronic Health Record. EHR is a digital version of patient charts, but a more inclusive snapshot of a patient's medical history. While EMR stands for Electronic Medical Record. EMR are digital versions of a patient's chart, which includes their medical history, diagnosis and treatment plan.
When is the doctor coming in? I need to know if I'm dying.
Mom, I need you to relax. The doctor is probably with another patient.
Well, look who decides to finally join us.
My name is Jennifer and I will be your nurse for the day.
I asked for the doctor, not a nurse.
Mom, please be nice. I just wanted to introduce myself before the doctor comes in.
Get out of my room. He finally decides to show up.
Hello, my name is Dr. Williams.
You're late, doctor.
Mother, you are being really rude.
Well, Julie, he was probably late because he was on Facebook.
Well, the laptop I'm holding actually has all your health record on it.
How so? All you young people are just obsessed with these gadgets.
But, Mother, quit talking like that.
The hospital now uses something called Electronic Health Record. Now all patient charts are accessible on the hospital computer.
What happened to the good old days when we used paper charts?
It's easier for us to keep track of your records on the system versus paper chart.
Will you say the same thing when someone hacks into the system?
We constantly update our software in order to prevent such things from happening.
Tell me more about this fancy thing.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Let's talk about the major functions of EHR.
Tell me why this is better than paper charting.
Sure. Here are some advantages of EHR.
It can't be all good, now can it?
Everything has its disadvantages. Here are some disadvantages of EHR.
Say, Doc, are you some tech wizard because you sure know how to work this thing?
I've received some level of training for EHR. Each staff.
You mean to tell me that any hospital staff can access my medical records?
That are involved with your direct care? No, only those.
Mom, the text reminders you receive from the hospital is all thanks to this system.
Now that's fancy. Back in my day, we had to write on our calendars to remember dates. I saw Julie look up her medical records at home. Can an old lady like me do that too?
I have something called My Chart that patients can use to access their health records.
What other cool things can I do on this My Chart?
You can ask for prescription refills, as well as set appointment.
I think I judged you wrong, Doc. You might know what you're doing.
So, I spent a lot of years in school for this.
Doc, I think there's an error on my health record.
Makes you say that? What?
Well, Julie said that on my chart it says that I've been diagnosed with dementia, but I feel great.
That was an error, Mrs. Smith. I don't think that.
What makes you say that?
Well, I was the one that put the diagnosis in.
Maybe you have me mixed up with another Joan Smith.
The records are up to date with your photo, DOB, SSN, address and insurance information.
So you mean to tell me that what my card says is true?
Yes, Mrs. Smith. That is actually what I'm here to speak to you about.
Oh boy.